Foldable phones have come a long way, but let's be honest, most of us are still waiting for that one model that truly feels complete. Lighter, more powerful, better battery life, and fewer compromises. Well, according to the latest leaks, Samsung might finally be gearing up to deliver exactly that with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. From a slimmer design and a bigger battery to camera upgrades and the possible return of S Pen support, the Fold 8 is shaping up to be more than just another yearly refresh. So let's break down everything we're hearing so far and see why this could be Samsung's most exciting foldable yet. So the Fold 8 is rumored to be lighter, thinner, and way more comfortable to use every day. Multiple leaks suggest Samsung is aggressively cutting weight in 2026, and the Z Fold 8 could feel noticeably less bulky than the Fold 7. That alone would be a massive win, especially for people who love foldables but hate how heavy they feel in the pocket. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where Samsung really wants to flex. The inner screen is expected to get another refinement, with leaks pointing to a less visible crease thanks to improved internal layers and hinge tech. It's not that the crease will magically disappear, but the goal seems to be making it far less distracting during normal use. And honestly, that's one of the last big complaints people still have about foldables. There's also an interesting rumor floating around that Samsung may experiment with a wider inner display aspect ratio on at least one Fold 8 variant. That could make the unfolded screen feel more like a mini tablet and less like a stretched phone. If Samsung actually does this, it could seriously improve multitasking, video watching, and even gaming. Battery life has always been a sore spot for Fold users, and this is where the Z Fold 8 leaks get really exciting. The battery is rumored to jump close to 5,000 mAh, which would be a big step up from previous models. Combine that with a more efficient processor and better software optimization, and we might finally see a Fold that comfortably lasts a full day for power users. Some leaks also suggest 45-watt fast charging, which would make topping up that bigger battery much faster than before. And yes, the S Pen is expected to make a comeback. After its absence on the Fold 7, Samsung seems ready to bring S Pen support back for productivity fans. Whether it'll have a built-in slot or require a separate case is still unclear, but either way, note-takers, artists, and multitaskers will be very happy to see it return. On the performance side, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to launch with a next-generation flagship chipset, paired with plenty of RAM. Leaks point towards smoother multitasking, better AI features, and more intelligent power management. Paired with Android 16 and One UI 8, Samsung is reportedly focusing heavily on AI-powered productivity tools, smarter split-screen behavior, and even better app optimization for the large inner display. Cameras are another area where Samsung doesn't want to fall behind. The Fold 8 is rumored to stick with a 200-megapixel main camera, similar to what we've seen on recent Ultra models, but the real upgrades may come from the supporting cameras. Leaks suggest a better ultra-wide sensor and an improved telephoto lens, which could finally make the Fold feel less compromised compared to Samsung's top slob phones. The under-display camera on the inner screen is also expected to get another quality boost, meaning clearer video calls without ruining the immersive display experience. Now let's talk about pricing, because this part actually sounds surprisingly positive. Early reports suggest Samsung is trying to keep the price flat, or at least avoid a major increase compared to the Fold 7. Considering rising component costs, that would be great news for consumers and could make the Fold 8 a much more tempting upgrade. So when is all this happening? Based on Samsung's usual launch cycle, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to debut around July or August 2026 at a Galaxy Unpacked event. That still gives us plenty of time for more leaks, renders, and last-minute surprises, but the overall picture is already coming together. If these rumors hold up, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 won't just be a minor refresh. It looks like Samsung is focusing on the things that actually matter: better battery life, lighter design, improved cameras, refined displays, and stronger productivity features. In other words, this could be the Fold that finally feels ready for everyone, not just early adopters.